guys, let's jump into the water. Ayan na guys. Oh, it's cold. Ayan si Dan. Ayan na si Dan. So ayan pala guys yung yung itsura ng tent. Ayan. And then sobrang laki niya. 5 people can fit to this tent. Ayan yung side ng tent. And window. Ayan. And then the house look like. And then the other side, ayan yung itsura ng tent. Malaki siya. 5 tao yung kasya sa loob. So, sobrang laki ng tent na yan. Binuksan namin kasi umulan kagabi para yung bubong ng tent matuyo kasi tumutulo kagabi kasi umuulan, hindi kaya yung tent ng sobrang lakas ng ulan kagabi. So, ayun sila, nagchika-chika sila doon, nag-prepare ng pagkain for breakfast. So, yun lang. Pinapatuyo namin guys yung cover ng tent. Ayan yung cover ng tent yung ilalagay mo sa top. And then, ayun yung cover ng pintuan ng tent. Pinapatuyo namin din. And then, dito, pag tumayo kayo dito sa harap ng tent, yan, makikita nyo yung view. Yung lake. Ayan yung lake guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng view dyan from. That is the waterfalls and then neighbors. There's a couple neighbors the other side to that doing camping. Ayun yung tent namin. And then, ayun sila. Nag-prepare ng food. My husband, my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, and then Kalia is sitting right there. And then this is our tent. So, another quick view guys ng lake. Tingnan natin kung ayan na yung hanggang dyan na lang yung camera ng focus ko para yung lake, yung view ng mountain. Ayan guys. Sobrang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng view. Okay, the food is ready and we're gonna go ahead and eat. So, tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ayan, hindi ko na na-film yung pag kumain kami. Ayan, finish na, done. And they're doing activities.
What?
Oh no. What are you doing?
Shooting stuff.
How do you call that, honey?
Slingshot.
Slingshot?
Wrist rocket. Whatever you want to call it.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, little low.
Almost.
I got one of them in the tree trunk.
See, aim at the target. No, don't zoom in.
Don't zoom in?
Yep. Watch. Ah, way too low.
Did you get it?
But when you look in the film, I bet you can see that.
Probably.
Big one. Big bag.
That's a lot.
Much bigger balls.
We got bigger balls now.
Bigger one. I can hear that.
There we go.
Bigger balls are better.
Really?
Yeah. You get her first try.
Okay.
Too low.
So,
I know where to aim now.
they're also better for this.
Oh yeah, you want to shoot the distance?
No.
Going for distance.
Watch out for
We're
kids.
going for speed.
He's all alone.
Like it gets way up there and then it just disappears and you're like,
We gotta
oh.
spray paint them orange. I never saw that one.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Because the
Here,
color
we
is
can
like-
count.
Same time?
Hey, Shelby, you have a stopwatch?
I do.
What? For what?
We shoot it straight up.
Then?
It's gonna come down with the same velocity, but we can calculate the speed.
I need to turn it on.
Oh, it's right there. Is it coming down? I can't see it.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I didn't hear it come down.
It's slightly this way.
Alright guys, Punta tayo sa CR. May dala akong hygienes, you know. Mag-ano tayo. I need to pee. So, punta tayo ng bathroom, guys. Medyo malapit lang naman yung bathroom dito. Konti lang naman yung ano, yung lalakarin natin. So, mainit na siya, guys. Punta tayo ng bathroom. I think there's somebody cleaning the bathroom, maybe. Okay, I decided. Yun. Ayun, guys, yung bathroom, oh. Nakita niyo ba yung bahay kubo na yun na maliit? Doon yung bathroom. And then doon yung tent. Medyo malapit lang naman, pero iwan ko na nga lang yung ano. Iwan ko na lang tong camera. Kasi parang may naglilinis ng bathroom eh. So, iwanan kita. And CR lang ako ng mabilis. CR lang tayo, guys, ng mabilisan. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Palibot na ano. Basta maganda yung view. CR lang ako, guys. Naiihi na ako eh. Bago kami mag-fishing. Okay, guys. Tapos na tayong mag-CR. Finally, tapos na si ate maglinis ng CR. And then, right now, I'm heading to the lake to catch the fish. I have my fishing pole. And we're gonna try catch some fish for lunch. Hopefully I'm gonna catch a fish and we have yummy fresh fish for lunch. Yay! Whew. Ang init na, guys, ang init na. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Malapit na tayo, guys, sa lake. Ang lapit na tayo sa lake. Ayun na yung dalawa. Malapit na tayo sa lake. Mag-fish tayo. Bakit parang blurry yung ano ko? Malabo na siguro yung madumi yung lens ng camera ko. But we're close to the lake and we're gonna go fishing. Oh, I'm taking my camera wherever I go. Did you get fish already? Hi, honey. I brought my ID and my fishing license stuff with me. Hold on.
I think you forgot a chair.
Huh? Yeah, I forgot my chair. Well, I'll be fine. Dan is fishing already, and Joe's right there. Hello. Dan is fishing. So, throw that away, honey. So, yay, we're on the lake. Ayan yung lake, guys, oh. Pretty. It's a huge lake. Over there. And there's the view. Okay, I'm gonna start fishing though, guys. Did you throw it?
Do it out as far as you could.
Okay, let's enjoy fishing. Ang layo na nilakad namin, guys. Pumunta kami dito sa gitna. Finally, ayun yung lake, guys. Mag-fishing kami. Nagpalit kami ng spot kasi wala kaming ma-catch ng fish doon sa first spot na pinuntahan namin. So, nagpalit kami ang haba ng inikot namin. But finally, we're here. Hopefully, we're gonna catch a fish this spot. Fishing. So mag-fishing tayo, guys. Is it cold?
Yes.
Punta tayo guys kay Dan. Ayun siya sa dulo. Punta tayo kay Dan. Ang ganda ng view dito guys. Iwanan muna natin yung bag dyan. Wala namang mawawala dyan eh. Punta tayo kay Dan. Ang ganda ng view dito guys. Ayun, nakita mo sa likod. Ganda. Punta tayo kay Dan. Maglaro tayo ng water. Picturean natin sila. Nasa gitna siya ng ano eh, ng lake eh, sa naka-ano lang siya, nakatayo sa malaking bato. Ayan na si Dan. Ayan na si Dan. Where are you going? Where are you going, honey? Enjoy na yung ano. No, that's deep. Don't go further. Oh my god. I would like to enjoy it. The water, it feels good though. It's not cold. It's far enough, honey. Ayun na siya. Nako. So, ayan guys. Ulitin natin yung video. Mas maganda tong lens na to. Ayan yung view ng ano, ng lake hanggang dito, and then hanggang dyan. Yan yung upuan ni Dan, and ayun si Dan. Yay, the sun is already up. I like that. Ayan si Dan nag ano pa, namimingwit pa ng isda. Dan is still fishing, and there's the quick view. Ang ganda. Yan yung upuan namin. Ganda-ganda dito guys. Yung view guys, oh. Yan yung top ng bundok. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda, oh, hanggang doon sa dulo. Yan yung tuktok ng bundok ba dito sa Colorado. The top, the very top of the mountain. Yan. Alright guys, let's jump into the water. Ayan na guys. Oh, it's cold. That's fun. Hopefully my camera is not gonna be wet. Woo! Woo! Yes, I made it! Woo! Woo! Yay! Nandito kami sa gitna, guys, ng ano, malaking ano ba, bato? Ayan. Oh my god, I need to come back. My camera is dying.
There's a little pontoon boat.
Yeah, may boat doon, oh. Ayan yung view, guys, oh. Ayun doon, oh. Yung ano, may boat doon. So I need to go back if grab another battery. But yay, I made it. Ganda ng view dito, guys, oh. Yan. Yay! Nakapaalang ako, guys, oh. But yay, it's not too bad. When you first get onto the water, it feels like really cold. But like when maybe in like 1 second, it's starting like you feel warm into the water. So it's not too bad. Next time I'm gonna wear a water shoes though, so that I'm not worried stepping into the rocks, because when you step into the rocks, some of the rocks like Sharpie, and it's hurt your feet though. So next time I'm gonna bring a water shoes. Take a selfie over here with a good view, background view. Oh yes, that view, it's awesome. I'm gonna take a selfie later. Oh yes. Oh, it's so cool, guys. Ooh, yes. Fish, come on, fish. Patuyuin ko lang, guys, yung ano ko pa ako, at sa sapatos tayo. Okay, guys, tuyo na yung ano ko, tawag dito. Yung paa ko ba? Magsapatos na tayo. Woo! Oh. I'm gonna put shoes. Oh, I'm gonna put my shoes. When you step in the rocks with no shoes, it's hurt.
Are you telling me rocks are hard?
No, it's like poke your feet when you don't have a shoes on. Oh, we're not lucky today. We didn't catch the fish for today's fishing day.